Hello, welcome to Ruby Art Academy online drawing classes for kids. Today I will teach you a girl with synapse. Keep your paper vertically. Center of this page, draw two circles for making eyes. Lower portions will be dark of these eyes. Draw nose, draw lip, next eyebrow. From here, draw a curved line for making a face. The curved line looks like something letter U. Draw ear on to both sides. Draw curved line. Center of this curved line, draw a standing line. Next, from here, draw two standing line for making neck. From this standing line on both sides, draw slipping line, looks like something letter L. Draw curved line. Take a dot center of this curve. From this curved line, two finger down, take a dot. Draw a slipping line on this dot. Draw slanting line on both sides. Join with slipping line. From this slipping line, draw curved line on both sides, one side small or one side big curved line. From here to there, join with a curved line for making her skirt. Take a dot center of this curved line. From this dot, draw a standing line. Next to on both sides, draw curved line for making leg. Many circle draw on her skirt. Next, one finger down, draw a dot. From this dot, draw slanting line for making hand. Draw upper slanting line, same for making her hand. Left right side will be same for making another hand. Erase these upper portions of this slanting line. Next, from here, draw many curved line for making her curly hair. Next, draw two slipping line, both sides, draw same slipping line. Draw curved line on the lips. Draw a tree trunk, branches like these branches for making tree. Draw a look circle on this on the branches, same circle again, draw same like a circle for making tree. Draw grasses under the tree. Draw a curved line for making sun. You can use your mom's bungle for making sun. Draw sun rays with many lines. Draw many bird in the sky. Next, use black sketch pen for outline. You can use black sketch pen for outline. To outline with black sketch pen. Draw same as mine. Everybody will try same as mine. At first finished your black sketch pen before coloring. Use brown color on the tree trunk. Next color, take a dark green color. Dark green color apply just for outline for making leaves. Like this apply, don't color the fully. Same color will be on these portions. 3 circle will be same. Like this apply. Next color, use light green color on this middle portion. Don't fully. Only middle portions will be light green color. Middle portions will be yellow color mixed with the green color. Use yellow color on the sun. Orange color, apply the orange color around the sun for making sun rays. Use peach color on the skin, face, neck, leg, hand, and last use on the leg. Use brown color for making hair. Use rose pink or red, any color apply on the stripe, like stripe on the top portions of her dress. Draw a stripe like this. You can use rose pink or red, any. Apply red color or rose pink. Every circle will be yellow color on her skirt. Next color, red color will be on her skirt. Don't touch with yellow color. Red color will be fully on the skirt. Fully red color. I have finished this. Thank you.